Select stitch 13 or 14 from mode 1. Attach the blind hem foot G. Set the stitch length between 1 and 3. Keep the stitch width at 0.6. Fold a hem with the wrong side of the fabric up to form a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Place the fabric so that the fold is next to the guide on the foot. Lower the presser foot. Adjust the needle drop position if necessary. Sew while guiding the folded edge. Open the fabric after sewing is finished. If the needle pierces too far left, the stitch will show through on the right side of the fabric.